What does fashion mean to you guys?
I want to be a little bit different. I like to make my clothes myself. Most of the time I'm a little bit different than other.
Old school is also fashion. Everybody is coming back.
We repair rebels, we are also a little bit old school because repairing seems to be a bit old school and we're trying to revive the repair culture. Do you have pieces that you repaired and that you say that you love it like crazy and you would never throw it away?
Yeah, I have.
It was from 25 years ago, so it was not broken or damaged. So I wear it also.
Is there a piece of clothing or pair of shoes that you would always repair no matter how much does it cost?
I've got very expensive shoes. When the heel is broken, you can always make it by the shoemaker. You can use it for years if you can repair it, because the quality is very good.
Wonderful, guys, thanks a lot and enjoy the day in Düsseldorf.